Hello, hello guys. Hi. This is GoPro View. This is my helmet GoPro. Actually, we have decided to go to Nalamala Forest, which is around 3 hours ride from here. That is also same in Kurnool as well. But I'm not sure why it is that far. Maybe Kurnool is very big city. I'm not really sure about it. So let's go ahead and see. Okay. So I'm all geared up. Right now the time is around 7:42 a.m. Today it is Tuesday, November 23. So it is third day of my ride. Hopefully we are gonna enjoy it. Okay, I wanted to try drone shot and I wanted to be an expert in drone shot. I wanted to give you a lot of content related to drone. That is my aim. Let us see how well it goes. Okay, that's it guys. See you on the road.
ఫైన్ లైన్ సార్ మీకు ఇక్కడ సిటీస్ ఇవ్వండి, మీరు స్టేట్స్ ఇవ్వండి, అన్ని ప్లాన్ కూడా.
Okay guys, we are starting our ride. He asked me to be ready by 5 o'clock in the morning, but it is already 10:23 starting up my ride. Okay, forgot what? Okay.
Keep this motovlog. Gemini TV, Gemini Motovlogs. Subscribe.
Some sort of screech sound is coming out. I'm not sure what it is. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting the ride guys. Oh my god, I need to go off-road. Opposite side. And this place is going to be really messy. I hope today's ride is going to be really horny. Because what I mean to say is horny in the sense like today it's going to be really hot. Oh, somebody is calling. I need to switch on my Sena. So please wait for me. Definitely it's going to be a bank call. Weather is going to be really hot. We are starting our ride by 10:30. That is half noon. And we need to ride for 3 hours from now. That is what my guess is, because today morning I tried to check the kilometers to this Nalamala forest. Then I came to know like it is going to be around 3 hours. So let me see how good I can do, or what best I can do. I have taken all the thing already, and he's lead for today's ride. His name is Murari. He lives in Kurnool. He's very good dude, cool dude. He's very cool dude. He just says okay, that's it. He never thinks about anything. He just say okay, that's it. That kind of guy. So I really like him a lot. Okay, let's enjoy this ride guys. Hopefully I'm doing some good job. Hope you like, subscribe and share. Okay, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay, the weather is already started to chill. I mean opposite of chill. My GoPro is not recording. I always depend on Google Maps. I've been in Hyderabad for past 4 years. Till now I don't know the proper route for going to old Hyderabad. I always use Google Maps. Going to old Hyderabad is not my regular thing. Yeah, he's calling for something. Let me. Okay, maybe we have to take left. Okay, I don't know what is he saying.
What the fuck?
That this guy usually traffic jam because it is a busy business day. Let me go ahead and switch on the camera when I see something very interesting. Okay, all right guys, see you, bye. I think the highway or the forest route has already started. It's completely green, right? Actually, we are planning to go to Nalamala forest, and then later we will also go to Sri Sailam Dam. I want to take a lot of drone shots because I'm very much interested in taking drone shots. Drone shots are day to day getting better. We will also take a lot of cinematic photos and videos. That is why I like drone shots a lot. Hopefully everything goes good. Did you see? This is the third gear. It was about to turn off. I don't know what is the reason. Stalling issues are always there. Looks some sort of market, farmers market or something. He is asking me to maintain slow. Indicator katra. Yesterday night I had a very good sleep. Usually if I sleep for 8 hours completely, I'll be total happy for the day. I'll be smiling all the time. Oh my my god, my mirror is already gone loose. I need to tighten this mirror. Yeah, good. I think the car has just completed an off-road. It's looking really cool. I wanted to have a guava food, have it with chili powder and salt. That will really make this trip awesome. Henceforth, I need to carry a fruit platter like guava, cucumber, slight chili powder and salt, and small amount of pepper. Guys, this is pissing me off. Bro, 1 minute. You go slow. Hey, come on, bro. Mirror got loose. Heavy traffic jam. Yeah, I told you it is peak hour, right? I drank hell a lot of water now, but even then I feel really thirsty. Just few minutes back I had a lot of water, but still I feel a little thirsty. I'll stop for a small commercial break. I just took a short break. Actually, it was very hot and we are getting back on road. Actually, my camera is mounted very low so that each and every time I need to look at the mirror to see if it is recording or not. I need to lift it up so that I am getting a good view. Did you see the crow? It's flying right in front of his tire. Yesterday I had a small golden sparrow. It went same like this. It just flew away like this in front of my helmet. Actually I was doing somewhere around 90. So then it flew away like that. I got really shocked. He is doing, oh my god. I'm not good at it. Hey, buffalo. Oh wow, look at the view guys, it's full green. GoPro is actually capturing good footage, okay? But what happens is, while we upload it on the YouTube, I don't know what is the reason. Even if uploaded with the 4K, I'm not really satisfied with the footage what you actually see. Normal footage in a computer, when you play it, it'll give you an awesome view. But when you play it on a 4K image, when you play it on a YouTube, then I don't know what is happening. It is slightly bad. I'm not really understanding what is the problem. That is why you will not be able to understand what I express, okay? Yeah, bro?
We have to go straight for Switzerland.
Okay.
This is a small place where all canals and meet. We'll just go and come.
Okay. So we are planning to go for a little bit of off-roading thing. We will also get to see some small stream, ponds and all these things. So this is abnormal view. Definitely you will experience thrill. So kindly stay with me. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, okay? If you have watched this video till now, I am sure you will definitely like to watch my other vlogs as well. I would really appreciate if you could like, subscribe and share. One full mountain full of Kadapa stones. I think this is where they grind Kadapa stones. It looks nice, bro. We'll fly our drone. Okay, come. One press, yeah, it is on. One press on, one press off. That's it. You have to be very conscious about battery. That's it. Use it wisely. Yeah, okay.
There will be a narrow road when you go.
Okay. Oh, it's like US. Everyone rides in the left. Oh. If you actually ride here, you will definitely know how to ride Ladakh. Those river crossing will be like a piece of cake. This road is completely superb awesome. Oh my god, you gotta see this guys. Let's take a drone shot, bro. We'll take a drone shot, bro. There it looks like an Uncharted 4, like the bridge. That bridge looks like Uncharted 4, right? Let's drone it. Let's fly a drone there. Guys, have you ever seen places like this? See this much of water. Andhra Pradesh actually recently had a flood, right? That is why you get to see a lot of water here. Hey, this is a place where in Papanasam movie, Kamal Hassan used to dump his car, right? I think this is the place. It looks exactly like that. What a stunning place, guys. Seriously, it's really hot. The weather is really hot. This is Parcel. You see Parcel there? I don't know what you call in English. This is a weighbridge for lorries. What happened? This place looks completely vandalized. This place haunted. Nobody is there. I don't see a human being there. You see water is exactly near. Little bit, right? We'll go up little bit. Okay. I'm not really good at it. Let me try. Let me see if the bike is able to pull.
You won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I feel it. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I feel it. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I feel it. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself out from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I feel it.
Okay guys, we are going back. I have chosen few places. Hopefully we get a good drone. Sure, we will get a good drone shot. Okay, have you ever played a PS4 game, Uncharted 4? This place looks abandoned. I don't know why. There now I see one human being. I see some office there. Lot of dams and things are looking like abandoned. This place is looking like abandoned place. Check out this view, guys. You should be really lucky to see this. This is not Srisailam Dam. This is some abandoned place. This got abandoned very long ago. Long ago it got abandoned, guys. No, no, guys, I'm just kidding. Just want to make you feel what I see here. This side greenery, this side full of a dam. My God. Actually, it's very hot, guys. It's really hot. I'm not able to withstand the heat. It's totally strong. Check out this. It looks like Ladakh, right? Actually, we got stuck in Stone Blast. Because of Stone Blast, surprisingly, they did a Stone Blast and we are not allowed to move now. So we'll hold for some time, okay? My god, it's too hot. I'm not able to withstand the heat, so I'm just going back now to very hot, very hot. Hope I have all my device. என்ன ஒன்றும் பண்ணல, ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போனேன், டயர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, இப்படி ரிட்டர்ன் வந்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். சாப்பிட்டேண்ணே. அடுத்து சென்னைக்கு போனால் போவேன்.
Actually, we came to a restaurant. It's called some Sri Divya restaurant. Okay, so they have some different kind of biryani. The biryani is totally different. It's called Konda biryani. It's called Konda biryani, and now you will see that we're going to have Konda biryani. Okay, this is Konda biryani. I don't like so much spicy. Enough, bro. Yeah? You want some Coke? Gomura. Just try once. Second class, we shipped it to Hyderabad.
So what are they doing? Bro, check out this mutton, bro. You just do this, see?
It is.